how to add multiple videos on Instagram Reels. The very first step is to open your application Instagram. Make sure you are logged into your account. Head over to your profile at the bottom right corner. Click on the plus icon at the top. The option of Reel will be visible to you. Head over to it. Now you can just tap on this icon and start to record your Reel video, or you can just upload it from your gallery. If you want to upload it from your gallery, then click on the square icon at the bottom left corner. Select the first video that you want to upload. You can trim the video from here, and once you are done, click on add at the top right corner. If you want to add multiple videos in the same reel, then again click on square icon at the bottom left corner. Select the second video that you want to upload. Trim the video as you want and click on add. Likewise, if you want to add more videos, you can just follow the same process. Let me just add one more video. Once you are done choosing the video, click on next. Now you can just edit the Reels video with all of the features that are available above. You can also edit your clips by clicking on edit clips at the bottom left corner. Here you can add more videos and reorder your clips. So once you are done, click on this arrow. In this section, you can add the caption as you prefer. And once you are ready to post your Reel video, click on next. Your multiple Reels video will be uploaded successfully. So this is all for today, and this was the tutorial video on how to add multiple videos on Instagram Reels. I hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.